that work hard, none of them be key kind. And they so fine, shawty dripping like now. Body like water, straight from Mekong. Got my chest beating, strong as how I'm mine. Dancing on tables, getting drinks on. Shots from a navel, yelling my dad. This LA Oceans, get in the club. All about Henny and all about love. I can't get enough of these girls. What would I do if they weren't in my world? Probably nothing as exciting